we talk about four specific orders of dental office design, and that is public, clinical, administrative, and team areas. And we explain to them that all these four elements are all in harmony with each other. They're in balance with each other. So we make sure that the size of the building can fit their vision. We can say whatever size you have, we can fit this many treatment rooms, and then everything else is balanced around it. So that's what we do. We talk about those four specific areas in very detail. I work with an Amish group of a dentist that works with Amish people. They bring everybody with them to the guest lounge, to the waiting room. So we have to make sure that's proportionally sized for that. I work with people in Manhattan where they're off the street and they come in. We don't have to make the waiting room as big. So we extract all these ideas. There's no cookie cutter design. Everything is customized for that particular client. But we absorb all these colors of the painting they want to see. So yeah, it's an enjoyable time. We talk about so many different things. We talk about their family. Are the children going to come visit them during the day? If there's a snowstorm, what do you do with your team members' kids? Where do they go? You don't want to wipe out the entire schedule, so you want to have a space for them in the facility that they can come in if they're sick or if there's a snow day. There's times where there's a changeover for the kids come into the office and then dad or mom come and pick up the child. So there has to be a location for that. So like I said, there's all these intimate questions and discoveries that we find during this conversation.